Living in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It means designing smarter. The difference between cluttered and clean isn't size, it's strategy. Today, I'm showing you 10 genius space-saving gadgets that actually maximize your space and improve everyday living. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss our future content. Need a workspace but no spare room? This wall-mounted desk folds down when needed and disappears when not in use. Perfect for apartments and compact homes. You gain a home office without losing square footage. Your bed occupies the largest footprint in your room. Why not use it? Storage bed frames include deep built-in drawers underneath, seasonal clothes, extra linens, even documents hidden away neatly. Smart storage without visible clutter. Those narrow gaps beside appliances? They're wasted potential. A slim rolling cart slides into tight spaces and stores pantry items or cleaning supplies. It transforms forgotten space into functional storage. Counters fill up fast. Magnetic racks attach to refrigerators or metal surfaces. Spices, utensils, small jars vertically stored. Vertical thinking is the key to small space design. Doors are underused surfaces. An over-door organizer instantly creates new storage space without drilling or renovation. Perfect for shoes, toiletries, or cleaning supplies. Horizontal storage consumes floor space. Stackable bins use vertical height instead. They create clean, structured organization. Modular systems allow customization as your needs change. Traditional shoe racks are bulky. Slim profile cabinets store multiple pairs while staying flush against the wall. Cleaner entryway, less visual clutter. Full-size dining tables dominate small rooms. A foldable table expands when guests arrive and folds away when not needed. Flexible living. Visible trash bins disrupt visual flow. A concealed pull-out cabinet hides it entirely. Cleaner aesthetic instantly. Bulky colanders and measuring cups fill drawers quickly. Collapsible versions compress flat when stored. Small change, big space saved. Small spaces demand smarter solutions. When you design with intention, even compact homes feel open and organized. All the gadgets mentioned are linked below. If you enjoy architecture-driven smart living ideas, subscribe. We post weekly solutions that maximize your space intelligently.